The objective of this activity is to draw a cube with given edge. That means the length of the side will be given to us on an isometric dot paper. So we have to understand what is an isometric sketch. For that, first we should know what is an oblique sketch. As you can see here, we have drawn some horizontal and vertical line which resemble a graph. And on that we have represented a cube of length 3 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. So as you can see, the height 5 centimeter, this height is clearly visible on the graph itself because it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters along its length. Likewise, all the three sides can be measured very easily using this oblique sketch. Likewise, we have the isometric sketch where we are using a dot paper. The same kind of cube is drawn here on the isometric dot paper, and distance between the dots here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is exactly 5 centimeter in this case also. So we can represent three-dimensional figures using the isometric dot paper like this, and for this activity we will be using a cube. What are the material required to perform this activity? An isometric dot paper, obviously, geometry box for drawing the lines, and then sketch pens. Let's perform this activity now.
To perform this activity of drawing an isometric sketch of a cube, we require this sheet of paper. This is called the dot paper, isometric dot paper. And now first thing we are going to do is to connect the horizontal dots using a straight line. So I am connecting some of the dots here, you can see. So I have connected a number of dots here using a straight line. I'll mark arrows on either side. Now let's take a point on this here and call this point as A. Adjacent to this point A, you find this point here, this point, and this point. So there are 3 points which lie adjacent to A and above this line. So we are going to count 6 dots starting from the first dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore we reach this point. So I am going to connect this point A with this dot like this, and likewise I am going to move 6 dots from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I reach this point and I can connect this line also. Joining these 7 dots will give me another line, and then I'll have to go vertically also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I reach this point. I can connect these dots to get yet another line like this. And now I have to move 6 units up from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I reach this point. So I can connect these dots and get a vertical line like this, and then count 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll reach this point, and we can connect all these points to get another vertical line. And finally we can join these lines also. Now if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these will be joined to form another 2 edges of the cube. The final thing we have to do is to count 6 from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we reach the top of the paper here, and if you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are all same, and so we can connect these dots like this. This is the first line, and we have the final line here which is to be connected like this. So here we have an isometric sketch of a cuboid. The length of the side which we have taken is 6 units. And that completes our activity on drawing an isometric sketch of a cube.